This is Tony DeLigio, Senior Editor with Plastics Technology Magazine. On February 26th, one day before the Molding 2018 conference kicked off in Long Beach, California, Suhas Kulkarni of Fimmtech led a group of participants through a two-part Design of Experiments workshop held at injection molder and mold maker Comar's Garden Grove, California facility. The first portion of the workshop entailed classroom work and a review of the Design of Experiments process as it can be applied to injector molding. Participants received course materials from Kulkarni, who also gave a presentation on the basics of the DOE. He told participants to consider three different kinds of consistency in an injection molding process: cavity to cavity, shot to shot, and run to run. Next, he laid out what he calls the 11+2 parameters of the injection molding process, how they impact the cosmetic process window. The size of this window ultimately decides the robustness of any given process. In the second portion of the workshop, Kulkarni brought participants onto Comar's shop floor to undertake an actual DOE on a real part. Once enough parts had been molded, changing key parameters over time to see the impact on the process, the course finished back in the classroom, where the parts dimensions were recorded. Finally, the process window was determined using the knowledge software created by Kulkarni for determining the most robust process possible.